The concrete house is a single-family residence in the suburban area of Paniotis, Cyprus, and stands out due to its contrast with the adjacent properties. The linear plot induced a longitudinal insertion of the house, perpendicular to the narrower street facade. Its design achieves an organic fluidity inside and out, as well as spatial permeability and a perception of spaciousness. Its arrangement within the surroundings manipulates visual relationships with the adjacent properties, strategically hiding and revealing parts. A bold metal screen, steel frame and expanded mesh panels was positioned on the west street facade, acting as a privacy barrier. The screen also provides shade from the intense western summer sun. The primary structure consists of reinforced concrete, beams and slab, filled with external concrete walls, resulting in a continuous concrete shell. Here, experimentation with timber board-marked concrete was conducted, aiming to visualize the formwork marks, the concrete mix, obtaining a variety of imprinted textures. The mass and durability of the concrete establish a dialogue with raw wood and metals. On the upper floor, intermediate spaces were created between the main concrete envelope of the building and the secondary layer of folding timber slat panels and sliding expanded mesh screens. These spaces act as interfaces to create an intermediate microclimate through shading controlling heat gains with pockets of vegetation for evaporative cooling and manipulating breezes. The external landscape provides a continuous flow around the building, revealing the basement as a lower floor with direct access to the outside. Various outdoor areas enable different habitation patterns and climatic comfort. An expansive eastern garden, an outdoor living room, the pool area, a stepped garden leading to a sunken garden, a planted ramp leading to the lower garage, and a north-facing herb garden. All living spaces face south, with horizontal eaves that project shadows in the summer. Openings towards other directions encourage cross-ventilation. Passive cooling and heating strategies were employed in combination with a well-insulated thermal envelope and active systems, contributing to the excellent energy efficiency of the concrete house.